Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make jus grenadilla the Haitian way. It's called passion fruit in English. I bought this in Haiti, so when I came in, I put it in this water bottle or whatever you want. You can just leave it in the freezer, and when you're going to use it, you get it out of the freezer. So now I'm just gonna let this boil, because when you boil it, it extracts all the juice and the flavor is stronger. And now we have this boiled, so we're just gonna strain the seeds out. Wait a minute, I need to see. Okay, after we boiled it, now we're just gonna try to extract all the juice from this here. And then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. But if you just check and see if it's sweet enough. If not, then you add a little bit more sugar. And you can see. Now this is the final stage of the jus grenadilla. I know my baby will really appreciate it, and he loves jus grenadilla. I do too. I don't like it with ice, so I'm just gonna let it sit in the fridge. That way it can be cold as I'm drinking it. Thanks guys for watching.